To shape by heating in fire and applying pressure is the art of forging. Mackeil Ispat and Forging Limited presents cutting-edge open die forging technology, all under one roof. This is one of the largest open die forge complexes in India. Mackeil is the first industry in India to have CBN gas installation. Mackeil has started a long-term partnership to procure the best engineering steel ingots from Danieli and Acciaieria di Rubiera of Europe. Mackeil is equipped with two state-of-the-art, fully automated, CNC programmed, open die oil hydraulic presses. One is a 3,500 ton press and the other is of 1,000 ton capacity. The heat treatment bay consists of a battery of gas-fired bogie hearth furnaces and monitored against the set process parameters through supervisory control and data acquisition, the SCADA monitoring system. Augmenting forging to machining is Mackeil's advanced world-class machine shop, equipped with a variety of imported machinery, all under one roof. 18 horizontal mechanical lathe machines, 4 meters to 14 meters length. 2 horizontal CNC lathes, 5 meters and 10 meters long. 2 vertical machining centers, both CNC programmed, in sizes 4 meters into 2.5 meters and 3 meters into 2 meters. 8 VTL machines, all CNC programmed, ranging from diameter 1,600 to 3,200 millimeter. 1 mechanical plano miller, size 6,000 into 2,500 millimeters. 4 horizontal boring machines with DRO system, spindle diameter 125 millimeters to 160 millimeters. 2 slotting machines of 24-inch stroke.
Deep hole drilling machine, working length 8 meter and 1.25 meter height. Tube sheet drilling machine, 3 meter diameter and 400 millimeter thickness.
Mackeil Ispat and Forging Limited have made special effort for research and quality assurance systems. The laboratory is fully equipped for tests in tension and compression mode, for information about elastic and plastic properties, capability to provide precise chemical composition within 30 seconds. Observe microstructure features, grain size and morphology, testing the value of impact toughness, automatic determination of hardness, the ultrasonic testing machines for evaluation of internal soundness of forged items. Continuous research of innovative engineering allows Mackeil Ispat and Forging Limited to serve all the market sectors where the use of top quality forging is mandatory, like thermal, nuclear and hydropower plants, wind energy, oil and gas, shipbuilding, steel industry, mining, industrial machinery, gear sectors, cement and sugar industries. Today, Mackeil's valued customers worldwide constitute a veritable who's who in the corporate world. Mackeil's mission is to be a leading open die forging company by fulfilling the future demands of the forging industry through technical innovation and product development in a client-oriented global market.